You don't need any fillers under your eyes or any facelift to treat your dark circle. All you need is these acupressure points. Okay, we're done with the microphone. Okay, let's go. Today's video is about acupressure points to lightening dark circles under your eyes naturally. So let's do this routine together. The first point is right between your eyebrows. So the thing that you have to do is just massage this part in circular motions like this, or just press this part like this for about 10 seconds. So I'm gonna massage in circular motions. While you are massaging this area, try to apply a little pressure. The next point's right on the part that your eyebrows start. It's gonna be here. Again, start massaging for 10 seconds on these areas in circular motion. Also, you can apply pressure like this for 10 seconds. The next point that you want to do is from the front of your eyebrow all the way to the end. Your knuckles move from the front of your eyebrows all the way to the end of it. And repeat this for 10 times. Be gentle and smooth. And 10. Next, gently just feel the bone under your eyes like this. Apply a little pressure and feel the bone. Then go to the middle of your cheeks, here, right where your bone is, and apply pressure on these parts for 10 more seconds. You can also massage in circular motions, so gently here, but I prefer to apply pressure on this area because I don't want to make any wrinkles under my eyes. So I apply pressure for 10 seconds. Like that. And lastly, to get all the toxins out, you want to press on both sides on your temples like this for 10 times. Or you can do massages in circular motions for 10 seconds. That was it. It was so easy. Do this consistently and I can promise you, you're gonna not only see a brighter under eye, but a more youthful looking skin. This was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and share this video with anyone that you think might need this. Also subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. See you next video. Bye! Acupuncture. Pressure. Is this acupuncture pressure points? What? Apply pressure. Acupressure points. All you need to do is this acupressure points. Acupressure points. Acupuncture pressure points. God, this is hard.